appointment at 11.
And the first name?
Natalia.
Natalia. I'll check in.
Thank
You
you.
want to have a seat? We will take you back momentarily.
Awesome. Thank you.
Hi, Natalia.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Dr. Austin. Welcome to the office.
Awesome. Nice to meet you.
We're going to take you on back to the new patient room. Come on with me. Come on in and around the corner.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rachel. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's bringing you in this morning?
So I'm 7 months pregnant and I am starting to have more issues with like sleeping. I feel a lot of pressure on my hips. And then, lower back. I've done some Googling and it says maybe sciatica, but I don't really know exactly. So I just wanted to come in and see how you guys can help me get a little bit better sleep and a little bit more comfortable with this big old baby.
Absolutely. Well, welcome in and we're going to help you with those things.
Thank you.
I love that. Which is like one of the best things.
Yes.
So you are laying flat, your belly's super low or top. Completely safe. We have a nice cushion for you. Comfortable?
Yes.
Perfect. And then there are bars here and you can relax your head here however you're comfortable. I'll talk you through everything I do. I'm going to do a little bit of muscle work, a little bit of adjusting. Everything I do is going to be really light.
Nice.
Here's a massage gun. And basically the goal of this is to get the pelvis as loose as possible to help baby move around the best that baby can move. Leg length. Right now your left leg's a little bit long compared to your right. That happens when your hips are off. Any pain when I push here?
No, ma'am.
Good. I'm just gonna feel your hips. So the table is gonna come up underneath you. When it drops, it makes a loud banging sound. Small push, and then you're gonna do that bang. You okay with that? Same thing on this side. And that evens you right out.
That's so cool.
I'm gonna do one more adjustment here. So this is a muscle release. Tender at all?
Feels good.
Good.
Yes.
Let me know if I hit any spots that are kind of tender or painful.
Sounds good.
Same thing on this side.
I think this side feels a little more sensitive, but it's not like painful.
Okay. Yeah, you feel tighter in that muscle over here.
Yeah, like right there where you were.
Okay. Do you feel it as I come out over here?
No, it doesn't feel as tight like where you are now.
Okay. You're gonna do a big hug like this. I'm gonna bring your arms just like this. I'm gonna put my hand behind your back and I'm gonna give you a big hug and put all of my weight through your arms.
Okay.
Take a deep breath in and let it all the way out. Good. Feel good? Relax the arms for me. Yeah, nice and easy. Take a deep breath in and let it all the way out. Wiggle your toes. Good.
Whoa, that was nice.
How'd that feel?
That was nice.
Different feeling.
Yeah.
Breath in and let it all the way out. One more. Good. Okay, so now you're gonna bring your arms up just like this. And I'm gonna pull overhead. Keep your fingers nice and straight. Good. Relax the elbows. So you see how this hand comes up short here? That actually tells me that you have a muscle that's tight deep in your front hip. So relax your arms here. This is gonna be kind of uncomfortable.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring your knee up and I'm gonna bring my hand in here and help release this.
Okay.
I do this to my husband and he literally almost cries.
Men are weak.
Yeah, they're wins. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, I'm gonna have you extend your leg back down here.
Right now?
Mm-hmm. Good. You feel how that gets tighter?
Yeah.
Come back up. And extend. We're gonna do 5 of these.
Okay.
And back up. Back up. And extend. Good. One more. Back up. And extend. Good. Hands up again. We're gonna do a few more. Fingers straight. Much better.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you're gonna come like this. This is gonna be how you're gonna get up off the table. I don't want you to use any core at all. I want you to use your arms and kind of act like a pull-up, and you're gonna go off of me.
Oh. Yeah.
Weird?
No, that was cool. I found a new way to get out of bed in the
I
morning.
know. And then I'm gonna have you swing your legs that way. This is just a little impulse down here.
Okay.
I'm gonna run it on your neck.
Do you want me to move my hair?
Nope, you're perfect right there. This helps with your cervical curve. Okay. Well today. Hopefully you get a little bit of relief tonight. I want you to drink a lot of water.
Okay.
If you're sore, totally normal. Your body's not used to moving like that.
Okay.
So lots and lots of water. If you're sore, do a little bit of ice.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, that's great. When should I come back?
So we like to see you pretty quick after your first adjustment just to kind of see how you're doing.
Yeah.
So let's follow up. Today's Wednesday. Let's see you Friday morning.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Cool.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good. How are you?
I am. When would you like to schedule your next appointment?
They recommended that I see you guys again on Friday. So do you guys have anything on Friday?
We do. Dr. Rachel's first available appointment is at 8:45. Her last appointment available is at 11:15.
Let's take that 11:15.
Alrighty.
Let me sleep in a little bit.
So we have you scheduled for 11:15 on Friday the 1st.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You have a great day.
Thanks.